Speech Republic Day. Good morning to all. My name is Arya. I am studying in class 2. As we all know that we have gathered here on the very special occasion of our nation called as Republic Day of India. India celebrates the Republic Day every year on the 26th of January since 1950 when Constitution of India come into force. The Constitution of India replaced the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India on the special day of 26 January in 1950. It has been declared as the national holiday by the Government of India. People in India enjoy this great day by celebrating in their own ways. On this day, a parade takes place in the national capital of India, New Delhi, at the Rajpath in front of the India Gate in the presence of President of India. Jai Hind. Like, share and subscribe to my digital lessons.